Hello everyone. In this video, I want to introduce a messaging app that works together with BoardPlus, so your team can chat quickly without leaving that messenger window. This means you no longer have to switch between separate apps just to talk and then manage your work. You get a full task management system, as good as Trello or Slack, because it combines a messenger and a task manager in one place. Let's take a look at how it actually works right here on screen. Right inside the messenger, you can create a task in just one click. You never leave the conversation you're already having. This way, your team never loses track of what needs doing. It also helps them manage their workload and stay organized. Now let me switch over to my browser. I'll show you exactly how this works, step by step. This messenger runs right inside my BoardPlus system. Let's grab one of my friend's messages from the chat. I can easily turn this message into a task without ever leaving the conversation. Let me show you what happens when I right-click on it and choose Task from the menu. This automatically creates a brand new task, using the message content as its description. This creates the task for me automatically. I can set a due date for it, like 3 days from now. Then I just click Save and it's ready. You'll see the task appear right here in the To-Do section, alongside any others I've created. It's a complete system for managing tasks and sending messages, built directly into WordPress itself. Everything runs on your own server, which means none of your information is sent out to any outside services. That means you stay in full control of your data, from start to finish. Later, I'll show you how to install and set up this messaging system, step by step. Let's go to our browser now. We'll install the Lumo WP Team Messenger plugin together, from start to finish. Then we'll look at what it looks like once it's active. Here you can see the full Team Messenger dashboard. For example, here's a group with several members already added. You can see how the conversation is organized, with each message laid out clearly. This gives you a good sense of how everything fits together. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You can see all your files listed here on this screen. Use them directly whenever you need them for your work, or, just as easily, send copies of them straight to your friends. You can communicate quickly and easily with this tool. On the left side of the menu, you'll find the Task Management section. It has two menus, Settings and Monitoring. From here, you can create different tasks for your project. You can move the cards around as your workflow changes. You can even leave notes directly on them. This lets you enter important information right on the card itself. You can add notes, comments, and other details as your project moves forward. Installing and setting up this plugin is very easy, so you can get started right away. Now I'll head over to the Plugins section and click Add Plugin, so you can grab this plugin directly from there. If you'd rather track it down yourself, just visit lumowp.com and open up this plugins page. There you'll find exactly what it offers, laid out in detail for you. You can check the version number, read through the full CHAM, and find everything else you need right here. It's all available for a very low cost. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You can license the plugin for a single site, or choose a broader license covering multiple sites. Either way, the price stays affordable for what you get. The yearly plan includes every single feature right from the start. That way, you won't find yourself missing something important later on. Pricing actually stays exactly the same across all three options shown here on screen. What really changes between them is simply how many sites you're able to activate. Go ahead and grab the plugin now at lumowp.com, using the link shown right on screen. To install it, I go to Add Plugin, then click Choose File. I select the plugin file I already downloaded to my computer earlier, before starting this step. Once it's selected, I click the Install Now button right here. The plugin has now finished installing successfully. Now I just need to click Activate to turn it on and start using its features. Once the plugin's installed, I get a new option here called Messenger. Inside Messenger, I've got a few choices. One is Messenger itself, one is Task, and one is Setting and Monitoring. Now if I click Messenger first, it asks me for a license. So I enter my license here. Once we activate it, it asks us to configure the database. This matters because Messenger relies on that database connection to store and manage its data properly. So before we move on to using any of the features, we need to make sure this database setup is done correctly. I click on Go to Setup. Here it asks where we want the database to be. Do we want to use this current site's database, or would we rather connect to an external database instead? If you choose external, you can enter the database details like the host, username, and password. Or you can use a completely separate database just for the messenger. But for this install, this one works fine. That's because its tables are kept separate from everything else. I click the install button, and the system gets created right away without any delay. You can see Messenger opens easily, and now we can message our friends without any trouble, all working smoothly. Look, dear friends, this shows the installation is working just as expected. Another thing we can do is go into the settings section, where we find some options we can adjust to fit our needs. Look, we can change the color scheme ourselves whenever we want. Depending on your company's colors, you can choose different colors for the overall theme. This makes the whole system feel more personal. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. And here, put your team's name, something like lumowp.com. Add your team name, and even a logo if you have one. Now it tells us who this belongs to. This setting controls access to the team messenger. That means it decides who is allowed to message each other inside it. For testing purposes, I already have some regular users set up here. Normally, a regular user wouldn't need access to this feature at all. But once I turn the setting on, watch what happens over in Messenger. If I type in a name or search for one of my coworkers, look closely at what happens here. It brings up the matching people right away. That happens as soon as I start typing their name. Now, from this same window, without switching anywhere else, I can go ahead and send them a message directly. So this way, you can send messages easily. Now, in the Task Manager section, you'll see some default cards already set up here, but you don't have to keep them as they are. You can customize them however you like, rearranging or changing them to fit your needs. You can even create your own dedicated boards. For example, up here, I'll click and create a board. We'll call this Board UI Design, and we can change who's in it so everyone on the team has a chance to collaborate together. Okay, the board is created now, and I can add a task right here. Over here, I can type in some extra details about it just to make things clear. Let me go ahead and jot that down for us. This way, we can add a comment to explain exactly what we mean by this task. You can see the field right here where that comment gets typed in. Once that's saved, it will automatically create the task in the task section. From there, everyone on the team can see it, and they can open it up and start working on it right away. You can set a date for it, either a due date or a specific time, depending on how you want to track it. And you can assign it to someone on your team, so everyone knows who's responsible. Here, you can also pick a color for its label, which helps you spot it quickly later. For example, you could add a label called Design right here. Once that's done, just click Save. Okay, so the first card is saved here now, and you can see it sitting right in this column. And notice this Open button right here. It comes in handy too, since it lets you go back in and make changes whenever you need to update something. If a task runs late, we can simply reopen it. That way, it reminds us to keep tracking the project until it's actually done. You can do that directly from the card itself, right where you're already working on it. You can also set that up a little differently, depending on how you personally like to organize things. Over in Messenger, we have some more settings available too. For example, we have the option to create a group right here. Let's go up here and start creating that group now. I'll click on that option to begin. I'll type in Design Group as the name for it. Then I'll go ahead and add some of my friends into the group. Now we have a group with several people inside it. Here you can see the files kept separate from everything else. Just click these buttons to view them. We can see all the group members listed here. From this menu, we can make any of them admins. We can also assign them different roles within the group. This messenger system is really very powerful once you explore it. It comes packed with lots of useful settings to work with. So the video doesn't run too long. I'll stop here for now. Just keep in mind, this messenger has much more to offer you. There's plenty left for you to discover on your own. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. This feature lets you show it on the front end too, right on your website. It gives you a link, and anyone with access can use it to log in there. Once they're in, they can chat right on the front end. They never have to log into the dashboard at all. From there, they can connect and message with their coworkers directly. You've also got a variety of settings you can adjust. That way, things work the way you want them to. In the connection section, you can connect to your FTP server. From there, you can transfer your files over to it. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Let's take a look at the settings panel now. It's really simple to follow along here. You can easily activate the messenger from this menu. Once it's turned on, use it to message your friends directly. Best wishes to you, and goodbye for now.